lot of things that can go into a kit, of course, depending on your needs, medications. So any advice first, Raj, when you start building that kit, which is so essential to have?
So first, I would look at your need. So how big your family is, how many pets you have. If you have grandparents, that are living with you, elderly folks that are living with you, you want to make sure you look at the entire need and prepare your kit for that need. And in many cases, they do sell pre-made kits. You'll get a lot of supplies within that kit that you really don't need, but in other cases, they are more cost effective because these companies are buying in mass amounts and putting together these kits. So with that, looking at your need, create your kit based on 7 to 14 days, and with that, with the information that they have on, say, Miami-Dade ready.gov, or the federal government has ready.gov, where you could go on there and see the actual list of items and check them off as you go, for your kit.
Right, 7 to 14 days, that's kind of like the key.
Correct.
And other ideas that you would have in your kit, Jessie?
Well, I would have just ready all the essential papers. What if I have to evacuate?
That's right.
So I take all the medicine, the food for the kids, the pet, but have the documents. If you end up having to evacuate, you're not going to have time to look for those papers. So your best bet is have everything in an area, maybe in something Ziploc or something that's not going to get wet, and get ready to go.